हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से शॉर्ट हैंड इंस्टीट्यूट चैनल पर। इस चैनल को बनाने का मकसद आपको लीगल प्रैक्टिस प्रोवाइड कराना है। अभी हम इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट एपीएस कवर करेंगे, जहां रोज़ आपको 2 से 3 लीगल मैटर डिक्टेट किया जाएगा। नए डिक्टेशन सबसे पहले पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को क्लिक कर दें। चलिए डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मैटर है, ध्यान से लिखिएगा और कोशिश कीजिएगा कि इसको ऑनलाइन आप सुनें। गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। आर्टिकल 235 of the Constitution of India provides for power of the High Court to exercise complete administrative control over the subordinate courts. This control undoubtedly extends to all functionaries attached to the subordinate civil courts, including the ministerial staff and servants in the establishment of the subordinate civil courts. In State of West Bengal versus Nirpendra Nath AIR 1966 SC 447, the Apex Court held that in view of the provisions of Article 235 of the Constitution of India, the administrative control of the High Courts is not limited only to the judicial officers but also to the functionaries of that court and in a matter pertaining thereto. After considering the entire legislative history of Article 235 of the Constitution and all earlier judgments, the Apex Court came to the conclusion that if the administrative control cannot be exercised over administrative and ministerial staff, the purpose of superintendence provided therein would stand frustrated and an interpretation would be wholly destructive to the harmonious, efficient, and effective working of the subordinate courts. If the High Court would denude of powers of control over the other administrative functionaries and ministerial staff of the district court and subordinate courts other than the judicial officers. The courts are institutions or organisms where all the limbs complete the whole court, and when the constitutional provision is of such wide amplitude to cover both the courts and persons belonging to the judicial office, there would be no reason to exclude the other limbs of the courts, namely administrative functionaries and ministerial staff of its establishment, from the scope of control. A similar issue was examined by this court while deciding the writ petition number 17907 of 1996, and it was observed that the administrative control over the subordinate courts is complete and its extent to the employees of the establishment, including the Article 235 of the Constitution of India, provides for power of the High Courts to exercise complete administrative control over the subordinate courts. A division bench of this court has taken the view that the administrative control of the High Court extends to all the employees of the subordinate courts, including the ministerial staff, and in view thereof, any direction issued by the High Court is binding on all of them.